Jean-Baptiste Lamarck is a French zoologist born in 1744. He is well known for his theory called Lamarckism, which provided the foundation for evolution apart from the mythological beliefs at that time.
The two main principles of Lamarck hypothesis of evolution are the theory of use and disuse and the inheritance of acquired characteristics.
Lamarck proposed that if a particular organ is used very often, it propagates into the next generation, whereas if an organ is disused, it tends to disappear in future generations.
Lamarck's concept of use and disuse is supported by following evidences: large ears of bats, where bats use echolocation rather than eyesight to find food; muscles of athletes, missing eyes, and digestive systems of tapeworms.
Let's look at how Lamarck theory explained the long neck of giraffe.
Long time ago, there were giraffe species with short necks. As the time passes, there was a shortage of small trees, so giraffe tends to stretch their necks to feed on tall plants.
Parents pass the elongated neck character that they obtained to their offsprings. This process continues from generation to generation, and this is the reason for long neck of giraffes that we can see today.
But why Lamarck theory was not accepted?
Lamarck's theory was disproved by August Weismann by introducing theory of continuity of germplasm.
He cut the tails of mice over 5 generations and showed that there is no disappearance or even a reduction of tail length in offsprings.
Weismann postulated that the germplasm is the hereditary material in the cells, and only the changes occur in germ cells are inherited to the offspring.
Charles Darwin was an English naturalist. He was best known for his contributions to the science of evolution.
The theory of evolution by natural selection was first formulated in Darwin's book called On the Origin of Species.
It describes how organisms change over the time as a result of changes in heritable, physical, or behavioral traits.
Due to mutation, there were two types of giraffes, one with long necks and the other with short necks.
Due to an environmental condition, majority of short trees were wiped off. Only tall trees were survived, leading to a food scarcity.
Long-necked giraffe fed on tall trees and survived somehow. Short-necked giraffe extinct due to lack of food.
The long-necked giraffe survived in the environment. They passed down their genes to the next generation.
Changes that allow an organism to be better adapted to its environment can help it survive and have more offspring. Survival of the fittest, often termed as natural selection.
Natural selection can change a species in small ways, such as causing a population to change color or size over a course of generations.
Given enough time and accumulated changes, natural selection can create entirely new species.
It can turn dinosaurs into birds, amphibious mammals into whales, and ancestors of apes into humans.